Hello and welcome to a District 228 Tech tutorial. Today we're going to be showing you two different ways to access files that are in your Google Classroom. By looking in these files, you can either check current student progress, so once they have opened a document, especially if you're using the make a copy for each student, you should be able to view their work, or you can look at the files that you have put in Google Classroom. So the first way is in Google Drive itself. You should have a folder that was automatically created for Classroom. Every time you create a Google Classroom, the first time you put any assignments in that Google Classroom, this folder should be automatically created. It's just called Classroom, and you should have all of your subfolders in this folder. You might have reorganized or dragged them at one point in time. If you cannot find these folders, another way to do it is to go to your Google Classroom itself, click on the Classwork tab, and click on Class Drive folder, which will take you directly into that folder in Google Drive. If you have any further questions, contact a librarian for help.